Hello, and welcome. Ruth, my name is Ruth. I'm social media boss lady. I'm sure most of you might have seen my Instagram handle, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, however. But today is tip day. Well, actually, every day is going to be a tip day because I'm just going to do a couple of videos for you in the next couple of days that would give you tips and ideas on how to look great on social media. One thing I've learned is that building a social media page for your business can seem challenging, but with tips and the ideas that I would give you would give you, well, yeah, definitely would give you ideas on how to make your content get noticed by your users. Now, I'm not going to be giving you all the tips on this video, but I would definitely give you a tip a day so that it's easy for you to catch up and follow along as we speak. Okay, first and foremost, we know that having a social media presence is very, very essential for modern businesses because with the social media platforms, you are able to reach new and existing consumers. You're able to spread your message, and you're also able to, well, build your brand. So before you go ahead trying to stun your followers with beautifully designed content, you need to establish your social media presence. And the first and foremost thing that you need to do is you need to select a social platform. Now, we have different social platforms out there. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Instagram, we have LinkedIn, we have Pinterest, we have Snapchat. And each of these platforms have their own distinct user demographics. So you need to find out actually where your target audience is and then select the platform that is suitable for you and that would get you the results that you need. So select a social media platform. Wherever your target audience is, find them and then set up there. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow for more tips on how to look great on social media. So Ruth here, signing out, social media boss lady, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.